Enhancing the look of a presentation. To make a simple and attractive presentation, you should keep some points in your mind. Applying formatting styles such as bold, italics, and underline to the text by using B, I, U commands respectively. Choose an attractive slide layout from the Slides group under the Home tab. Choose a theme under the Design tab. Change the font, color, and background of the theme. Applying themes. A theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch to your presentations. The Design tab in PowerPoint provides a variety of options for designing and formatting a presentation. They include predefined color palettes, fonts, backgrounds, and formatting effects. You can also customize the existing themes or build your own themes. Choosing a theme. PowerPoint has a number of built-in themes you can choose from. To change the theme in the presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Design tab. 2. Click on the More drop-down arrow. 3. Select the theme you wish to apply to your presentation. The selected theme will be applied to your presentation. Changing theme color schemes. Once you have selected a theme for your PowerPoint presentation, you can change the color of the theme from the one that is currently applied. To change the color of the theme, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Design tab. 2. Click on the More button from Variants group. Then click on the Colors command. 3. Click the mouse when you find the right color scheme. The selected color scheme will be applied to your presentation. Changing theme fonts. You can change the font of the text in the applied theme. To change the font of the theme, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Design tab. 2. Click on the More button from Variants group. Then click on the Fonts command. 3. Click the mouse when you find the suitable font family. The selected font family will be applied to your presentation. Changing theme backgrounds. Just as you are able to change the background on a plain PowerPoint slide, you can do the same while using one of the many themes. You can also customize the background of individual slides. 1. Click on Design tab. 2. Click on the More button from Variants group. Then click on the Background Styles command. 3. Click when you find a background style that you like. The selected background will be applied to your presentation.